Hi, in the last session, we learned about data ranges and comparisons. We have made some comparisons. Okay. In these lessons, we are going to learn about some of the more features that is called drill down and optional matrices. Drill down and optional matrices are some of the important features given in Google Data Studio. Let us see. So basically, what it does, drill down matrices deals with this text-based data like dimensions, and optional matrices deals with this numeric data. Okay. Suppose take for example, we want to this is the table. Actually there are two text based variables are there, like region and segment, and two variables, that is numeric variables are there, number based variables are there. Suppose we want to see in our report only regions. The table is prepared for four variables, two matrices and two dimensions. So, but we want to see in our report only, take for example, we want to region and sales, or segment and profit, or region, segment and sales, like that. Suppose we want to see how we are going to use this feature in Google Data Studio. This is going that we are going to learn. So this table I have prepared by inserting like add a chart, inserting table, like, and I have selected that. You can see this dimensions, I have selected region and segment, and also in matrices I have given. So there are two options we will see here, drill down options. Okay, I will just uh, make it on. So when I make it on, so what happens, you can see and only region is coming, segment is not coming. Okay, so if I am putting this arrow, like here, segment will open. Okay, this segment will open. Okay, let us view our report. Okay, so this is the options it is given. So we can go for region wise sales and profit, and we can go for like segment wise sales and profit. Okay, similarly, so take for example, we have enabled another features. I will show you another features we have enabled in our data studio, that is called uh, uh, like personal matrices we have also enabled. Okay, personal matrices, under matrix there will be personal matrices, we can have also this. Okay, optional matrices, you can see optional matrices we have. By that putting it on these personal matrices, we are getting these options. Okay, optional matrices options, it is coming. Okay, so when we are going to use this optional matrices, that we have to just drag it to the right sides, then it will be on. Similarly, suppose we are going to use this drill down options, we are going to, what we need to do, we need to drag it to the right side. So that means both options will be on. So how these features like optional matrix works? Suppose take for example, we want to see only the profit for this. Let us see. Okay, so segment wise profit we are able to see. Suppose take for example, we want to see like region wise profit. What is the region wise profit we want to see? So in our presentation we can also use this. So similarly, suppose take for example, we want to see both profit and sales for region wise. So region wise both profit and sales we can see. Suppose we want to see only sales, not profit, for the region, so we can also, so we can go for view. Here we can see. Okay, so these are the options. This is called, this arrow represents our drill down options, and this represent optional matrices. Suppose take for example, we want to see both profit and sales. So for south, north, and this is the profit, and this is the sales. For south has made like that 5 lakh 17,250, and north accordingly, and this is the sum total, grand total, because we have also selected the option that aggregations or the sum total we have also selected. So these are the options, these are the benefits we can see. These are the benefits in our report we can prepare, like, so sometimes we can see both. Drill down means one option will come only, whether it will be one like segment or regions. And sometimes in optional matrix we can bring it, since it is optional matrix, we can bring either sales or either profit, or we can bring it both. That's for the lessons. We'll see a few more things about the table in the next lessons. Thank you.